What's going on, you guys? Lyricstar 1999 on YouTube. Well, we're back on the Snowy Mountain work map. I'm going to try to finish it up today because, realistically, we are very close in finishing it, but we're getting so far. And if you're wondering which truck I'm using the one that I made that I filmed and I showed you guys. I noticed I got no views of the other one. There we go. Alright. Don't fail me now, truck. Yeah. Looks like we're up to 78 tractors out of 120. You remember what happened last time when I tried to go through that spot. Well, we're gonna get close. Nice. I'll at least film us going up to the hilltop, even though I finished that. I wanted to do a test on how much stress can this truck take. And we're gonna find out. Come on. Are you kidding me? That was pretty good, actually. I was expecting it to struggle a little bit because the fact of maybe being two-wheel drive. Looks like we're getting up to 83. Oh, and you know what? I came up with another idea. Like, what if we could use this size of a trailer to load, like, let's say, an ATV or a side-by-side? Because this would be the perfect trailer. Or, like, okay, a small Bronco. You know. It'd be the same exact trailer, but you can load cars on it. But only small cars. I think it'd be perfect. Nice. So here's our current status of this. We're so close. We're at 87 right now. This might be the final one that I'll do, so I don't drag on the episode too long. But I kind of hope you kind of enjoy the fact of me using this truck. I'm surprised that I should have built the other one on camera and the ATV. But I kind of wanted it to be kind of like a surprise. So, I kind of hope you enjoy this episode. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Note some rolling coal action. And we'll see you all in the next one.